FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna make a handmade porcelain doll. So over here I'll just take a fabric and it's a red colored fabric. I don't know why my camera is showing this in an orange color, but it's red and a very beautiful maroonish kind of red. So over here I'll just start making the tops first. So these two cutouts are what I get. Then I'll stick them together and cut this from one side and then just put it on the doll. Once the top is done, I'll start making the skirt. So over here I've taken this shimmy kind of fabric and also the other plain one too. And I'll just stick them together and this is what I get right now. So I'll just put another smaller piece of fabric on top of it and start making this ruffle. So once this is done, as you can see, I'll take my doll and I'll put it on the waist of the doll and then just pull out the thread. So this way it will cinch into the waist. Now I'll just tie a knot and secure it in its place. Now I'll take another piece of fabric and again the shimmery one and I'll start making the top. So over here this will be the sleeves for the top. The life of dreams is moving faster and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. So I'm going for kind of a goofy sleeves vibe over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So after putting on both of the sides, I'll just take another piece of fabric to take my needle and thread again and make a ruffle. So this will be for the collar of the dress. So it's a very princessy kind of vibe over here which is going on. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now what I'll take is that I'll take this white fabric and I'll just tie it around the doll's waist to make it kind of a belt, and then I'll take another piece of the same white fabric and make a bow. Now I'll take the wool over here, it's a white wool, and again I'll just take a lot of it and then cut it from the side. So I'll just stick it over here, and then over here the bow will go on the top first, this way, and I'll just stick it over here too. Then I'll just start making the wig cap for my doll, and for that I'm using aluminium foil and placing it over the head of the doll. Then I'll take a seam tissue paper as well and I'll put some glue on top of the doll's head and then I'll just stick it over there. So this will give 2 layers and a proper base for the doll's hair. Now again, as you know how I make my doll's hair in all of my videos, so you can go and check that out. It's very easy. What you have to do is that just take a cardboard and wrap around some silk thread and then tie a knot and take it out. Once you get this is the kind of shape you get over here. Now I'll just take my scissors and cut it from the middle. So this is the partition of the hair which I get, and then I'll just trim out the edges. So likewise I'll make a lot of it just to cover the doll's head. So now I'll just start sticking it onto the doll's head. So first this will be the bangs. Let's run away. your fingers and just you can style the bands and then cut the axis so that it looks neat. Now over here I'll take my scissors and I'll just cut it out. Then I'll take my seam fabric, red fabric, and make a beautiful headband and with a bow. So now I'll just start painting the shoes. And over here I'm going for a very beautiful red colored belly, and that's what I'm gonna do. And some white socks to complete the look. So guys, as you can see, this is how she looks right now. She is movable and very easy to make. So guys, this was it. This was the final video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Define the answer. With this life we live, be all that matters. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. And we'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the light and run away from the night. Let's run away.